In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an ID picture in Microsoft Word, specifically the 2x2 and 1x1 photo sizes. This is a very useful skill if you need to prepare ID photos for school, job applications, passports, or other official documents, especially when you don't have access to photo editing software. The good news is that Microsoft Word can actually help you format your picture into the correct size quickly and neatly. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click Pictures, then choose this device and select the photo you want to use for your ID. After inserting the image, click on the picture to select it. You should see small circles or squares around the edges, which means it is ready to be edited. Now, go to the Picture Format tab that appears on the ribbon. On the right side, look for the Size section where you can adjust the height and width of the picture. If you want a 2x2 ID picture, set the height to 2 inches and the width to 2 inches. If you want a 1x1 ID picture, change both the height and width to 1 inch. As you adjust the size, make sure the photo still looks properly aligned. If the picture looks stretched, you may need to crop it first. To do that, click Crop in the Picture Format tab, then drag the corners until your face is centered and the image looks balanced. Once you're satisfied, click outside the picture to apply the crop. Next, if you need multiple copies of the same ID picture on one page, simply copy and paste the photo. Click the picture, press Ctrl+C to copy, then press Ctrl+V to paste. Repeat this until you have enough copies. To keep everything clean and organized, you can drag the pictures and arrange them evenly. You may also use the Align tools under the Picture Format tab to line them up properly. Once your photos are arranged, it's a good idea to check the page layout before printing. Go to the Layout tab, click Margins, and select Narrow. This gives you more space on the page for additional photocopies. Finally, save your document by clicking File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. After saving, you can now print your ID pictures using photo paper or regular paper, depending on what you need. And that's how you can easily create 2x2 and 1x1 ID pictures using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.